Let's start with the column area. Changes here will affect the info boxes in the right and left column of our website. We have to go to the column area tab. To begin, we'll work in the info box header, this area here. It is set on black. If I click on clear, this will use the global color we set in the theme tab. It was red. Let's save and see if this works. We can see how all the headers went red. I can also pick another color that will only affect this area. We can use a border. As you can see, we have different styles to choose. I will pick solid, 2 pixel size, and pink color. Here, we can check which borders of the header will be affected. I will check the 4. The font is set on white, but remember that if we pick clear, it will use the global font color. The global font color is black. We are going to use this color. We can set the font size here, font alignment, width, and of course, the font family. We can also set the header's height and margin. The radius here will give us the chance to turn the squared corners into rounded corners. We'll give the top left and top right corners a 6 pixels radius. Save. And now we can see the changes. We have borders and rounded corners. I'm going to change the border color so we can see better. Now we can see. Let's work in the content area now. Here, we can not only pick the background color, we can choose its opacity as well. I will choose red, but I give it a 40% opacity. We can give a border to the content too. Let's pick solid and 3 pixel size. I will choose dotted better, so we can see a different style. The border will be black, and it will affect only the bottom of the box. I won't give a radius here. Let's choose red for the font color. Everything here, you can set it as we learned before. Save and refresh. Here, we see the changes, background color, border, but what happened with the font color? We chose red, but it's black here. This happens when the text is working as a link. And it has to be set in the buttons, links, inputs tab. We know we pick red, so when we look to other info boxes, we'll see how the red color affected the text that is not a link. Remember, links features can be set in this tab that we'll see later in another video. Let's change this black for now. We can see here that we can make changes in the left and right column. For example, you can enable or disable a whole column. Let's try it with the right one and see what happens. We only have the left column, and the content area is filling all this space in the 1000 pixels we set. We can also give a specific width to the columns here. Well, I hope you can try it yourself now. Thank you.